In this video, we're going to show you how you can go ahead and temporarily fix controller stick drift here on PS5. Now, to permanently fix the stick drift, you will need to open up the controller, but I know most people don't want to do that. So let me walk you through a quick and easy workaround that you can try instead. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. It really does help out the channel. But first things first, grab your PS5 controller and start by rotating the analog sticks counterclockwise. Make sure to rotate them at least 3 full times, pushing them all the way to the edges during that process. Now, do the exact same thing counterclockwise again, ensuring full rotation to the border. The idea here is to try and dislodge any dust or debris that might be causing the drift by moving it deeper into the controller where it's less likely to interfere. Next, press down firmly on each analog stick and repeat the exact same rotation process. So push them down and then go ahead and do that same rotation process. First doing counterclockwise 3 times minimum and then doing clockwise while holding the stick all the way down. This is going to add that extra pressure to help clear anything stuck beneath the stick. Now, an optional tip I recommend doing is just gently pulling up on every single one of these analog sticks to create a small gap and just simply blow air into it. It's kind of like cleaning out like an N64 cartridge. And this can actually help push out any fine particles stuck inside. But that's it. Now, this isn't going to fix your stick drift permanently, but it can temporarily improve the issue without taking your controller apart. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for even more quick fixes. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.